Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Do it now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so I'm going to create a number here, scalar num, and I'm going to assign a value of 4. Okay, now I'm going to create a subroutine called generate. Okay. And I'm going to create a scalar variable here called rand num, which is going to be a random number that we're going to generate equal to int, which is integer, rand, and I'm going to put 10 in here. So I want to generate a random number between 1 and 10 here. So we're going to use a conditional now. So if the random number that's being generated is equal to scalar number, which is this one, it's equal to number 4. So if the random number that we've generated is equal to this number up here, number 4, we're going to do something. So let me just make that look a bit nicer for you. There we go, a bit more readable. So we're going to print something, a message to the user. Print scalar num, which is number 4 up here, reached. New line. And then we're going to use sleep here and put 2 in, so that's going to give us a 2-second pause, and then we're going to go back to generate. Whoops, if I spell it right, generate. We're going to go back to generate up there and do the same thing again. Else comes the else statement. Else print the random number. And a new line there. And we're going to go back to generate again, start it all over again. No, no, I don't know. Right, okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to write generate. Okay. So I'm going to run this program, and there we go, generating random numbers until it reaches number 4, then it'll randomly generate some more until it reaches number 4 again. So those are the random numbers that it's been generating. There we go, it's generated that, and it'll keep on going round and generating random numbers until it reaches number 4, like that, and it will carry on forever. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and sorry about that little intrusion before. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.